So here we have the Hyundai IX20 on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. And then this tray section here will lift up to reveal even more space again. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the Rev Counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the top, we have the trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 27,060. We then have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge in that section as well. And it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we are in park at the moment, of course. We back out to the steering wheel. On the left-hand side, first of all, we have some stereo controls and phone controls. Over on the right hand side, the stereo controls continue, and we have trip computer information that you can change just here. So we went back up to that central section. You can press the trip button to circulate any of the information that you see being shown in that section there. Over in the center, we then have the stereo for the car. So radio wise, you can see there we have AM and FM radio. If you listen to your own music, you press the media button. Nothing is connected at the moment, but you can see, or inserted, you can see we have a CD player. This car's also got auxiliary and USB inputs as well. You can pair your phone by hitting the phone icon and then using the numbers that correspond with what it's asking you to do on the screen. So we're going to cancel that for the moment. We have the main volume for the stereo just here. Working our way down, we then have air conditioning. So you can turn the air conditioning off and back on from here, first of all. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set. Temperature is set with this outer dial just here. And then the fan speed is set with the inner one, as you can see and hear. You can then determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in as well. Underneath that section, we have a 12-volt charging socket, the auxiliary and USB inputs I mentioned a moment ago, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.